We're going to do another simple dinosaur. This one you might be pretty familiar with. Okay, this is one of the last combative dinosaurs that we've talked about. They're still a herbivore, and then we're going to jump back and doing some carnivores and stuff probably next week. Okay, this one you probably know. Oops, I spelled it right. The triceratops. Triceratops. This is an important part of this. Tri. The word tri means three. Okay, tricycle, triangle. Think about any word that has tri. It has tri because it means three. And that's going to be very important when we do this dinosaur. Pay attention. First of all, what we're going to do is we're going to do make sure I did it bigger, do a big circle so you can see it really good. Can you see that circle? That's one of the complaints some people had, is they couldn't see it well. Then we're going to do a curved line down. Remember this? You should be getting used to this now. This, like I said, this is a simple way of doing a dinosaur real quick. You can always go back and change stuff. Kind of like how some of my fourth and fifth graders might know the simple way of doing a person. You get it down and then you improve it once you have it there, okay? So we're going to do a curved line here, and we're doing a curved line here. Now, the big difference is we're not going to do a head or over there because the Triceratops also has an armored head, okay? And so what we're going to do is we're going to do curve this down. And if you have to do this a couple times, that's okay. Okay? Because it's probably the most distinctive dinosaur to do, basically. And I'm going to do a spike here, spiked horn there, and a spiked horn there. One on one side, one on the other. And then I'm going to put a third spike there. That's that word three. Try. 1, 2, 3, because it has 3 spikes there. And it uses these spikes to protect itself from any predators, namely the Gorgosaurus or the Tyrannosaurus. It has an elongated beak right there, the eyes. I think I'm going to go back and do the Tyrannosaurus again. So if you see the video disappear, don't worry. I'm just going to make it look a little bit more menacing, okay, for you guys. I know some of you guys probably say, oh, I want a scary looking dinosaur. So that's what we're going to do, okay? I'm just going to do this. Mainly trying to keep these lessons really small, so if you have to go back through them, if you're interested, you don't have to spend 30, 40 minutes going over this stuff. I want it to be something you can just get in and out. And guess what? I'm going to do this, and we're going to kind of do the same thing we did with the brontosaurus, and we're going to do this. Then I just go back and I erase this stuff, get rid of the stuff. And I didn't do the habitat, I believe, with my ankylosaurus. That was the last one I did, but I'm gonna do it with this one. Like I said, I'm gonna redo Tyrannosaurus because I wanna. There's about 4 carnivores I'm gonna try to do next week. I think we're going next week. We're gonna do all carnivores. Okay. It's a little bit light on drawing it this week because I wanted to put more. You will notice that a lot of the lessons this week are lessons that you can make stuff kind of get away from the drawing a little bit to give you guys a little break and give you a little bit of something new. But we're gonna just change things up a little bit, this week and try to do some things that'll be fun. All right. Next week, I think we're going to be focusing on recreation of the Tyrannosaurus, the Allosaurus, the Velociraptor, and the Pterodactyl. And I'll see you next week.